Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Elephant Feet are a set of unusual sandstone formations located in northern Arizona, near the edge of the Navajo Nation. They sit quietly within a broad desert landscape, easy to miss unless you know what you're looking for. There are no signs or built viewpoints here. What draws attention is the shape itself. The formations get their name from their appearance. Rounded bases rise from the ground like massive stone columns, wider at the bottom and narrower slightly as they rise. The resemblance to the feet of elephant is immediate, especially when viewed from a distance. Erosion has smoothed their surfaces, giving them a heavy, grounded look that feels deliberate rather than accidental. Geologically, elephant feet were formed over millions of years. Layers of sandstone were laid down when this region was covered by ancient seas and river systems. Over time, wind, rain, and temperature changes wore away the softer surrounding material. What remains are harder cores of stone that resisted erosion longer than the rock around them. This slow process explains their isolation. The surrounding landscape has flattened, while these rounded structures stayed behind, standing apart from the terrain. Their scale becomes clearer when seen up close. They are far larger than they appear in photographs, rising well above a person and casting heavy shadows across the desert floor. The area around elephant feet is quiet and undeveloped. There are no marked trails, no barriers, and no infrastructure designed for visitors. That lack of development keeps the setting raw and unchanged, but it also means the formation exists within a living cultural landscape rather than a managed attraction. For nearby Navajo communities, the land holds meaning beyond geology. Rock formations across this region are often tied to stories, orientation, and traditional knowledge. Even when not formally interpreted, features like elephant feet are part of a broader relationship between people and places that predates modern maps. Elephant feet are not dramatic in the way cliffs or canyons are. Their impact comes from stillness and form. They stand as reminders of time, erosion, and scale, shaped slowly, left standing quietly, and unchanged by the rush of traffic and tourism that passes nearby.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.